We are at the Wetzel County Farmers Market, and we are doing a drawing for our week's Lego set giveaway. And the winner is if I can read this. I can't.
Translator?
I remember who it is. It's Miss Seckman. It's Bethea Seckman.
Bethea.
I think is her name. Yes.
All right. Well,
Right.
Congratulations.
That's awesome.
Thanks, Miss Bethea. We'll see you soon.
all right. Well, we will see you next week when we do another drawing, right?
Yes.